Short form content seems to have a bad rap with established content creators and long form content creators alike. I see a lot of content put out there that short form ain't it. However, I've become a professional content creator on the back of short form content. Admittedly, I am now trying long form content as the RPMs are higher than those of short form content. But even with that, I have 3 reasons on why you should start with short form content. So my first reason, that's where all the attention is. Maybe not all the attention, but a disproportionate amount of attention is going to short form, both from audiences and platforms. So much so that the president of Instagram has said that going forward, the focus will be on short form content and that he doesn't feel long form is suitable for the platform. If these platforms are focusing so much on short form, it seems like a smart place to start your journey. Having so much attention on this method allows you to test so many things faster and get feedback faster than from long form videos, because those traditionally take longer to get views than short form. This fast feedback will allow you to find your creative voice and start finding your audience quicker. But while you're likely to get more likes and subs from short form, do not believe that that's going to lead to an easier road when you try to transition into long form. Therefore, what I've seen from creators on short form is that the audience doesn't transition from short form to long form, so it's best to treat those audiences as separate segments. Reason number 2, the creative barrier to entry is much lower in short form content. The bar for creating long form content that compels people to watch all the way through is not a skill easily developed. But just putting your own twist on trends or filming original content in short form makes it a lot easier to get started. Now, shorts are also more forgiving of things like camera quality, with most creators using nothing more than their phone to create all the content they're generating. There's actually a preference for more organic looking content that looks less polished than long form content. It makes content feel more authentic, which is a plus on short form platforms. Therefore, not needing expensive gear or complex storylines to create compelling content is a good reason to start with short. Not to mention the speed at which you can put out short form content with not having to research, script, film, and do all that just to put a piece of content out. All of this together makes the barrier to entry for content much lower. Reason number 3, the rate of growth is considerably faster for most short form creators. It is nearly impossible to go viral with your first long form piece of content. However, though not likely, it is possible for your first short form piece of content to get 1 million views. There are so many overnight successes that have come from short form. The reason for that lies in the algorithms for both short form and long form content. The algorithms for short form have shifted to TikTok's interest-based algorithm. But what does that mean? It means you no longer need a large following to get in front of a large audience. Your video simply needs to be entertaining or engaging enough to hook a large audience. The interest-based algorithm allows people with small followings to ride the waves of big interests. Therefore, if you make a video on a topic with high demand, you could very easily see a ton of views. And this could lead to a rapid growth in following from all your videos that are performing well. And this rapid growth can get you to a place where you start earning from your content and working with brands faster than you would from long form. Now, I say all of this, but here I am creating long form content. I still make a ton of short form content and will use it even on this channel to test ideas and see what you guys are interested in a more rapid way. My goal of being a full-time content creator does include creating long form content because YouTube's formula has withstood the test of time. The ability to earn is much higher once you learn how to create captivating long form content. And for me, that just means giving a ton of value from what I learn on this journey, which I stated was my reason for starting this channel. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click here. As always, if you have any questions about content creation, please feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll either answer them there or create a video if they require more explanation. And if you like this video and it provided value, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about content creation. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.